Hi, I'm Travis, and I'm a jerky expert.
This is a good one. Ooh. Was that off the same plate? I've really screwed this up.
All right, so there's two main types of jerky, refrigerated and shelf-stable. Shelf-stable product is the most popular form of jerky. This can be found at all your gas stations, convenience stores, things of that nature. It has added preservatives, which allow it to stay on the shelf longer. This product also has less moisture content, which is why the normal consumer associates it with being drier or tougher types of jerky. Refrigerated product, on the other hand, has a much higher moisture content. This allows for more of a juicy bite or a meaty feel to it. However, it does need to be in a refrigerated package. Now we're gonna do a blind taste test and see if I really know my jerky.
This seems like a lighter meat. It's got a lighter, kind of a turkey hint. Get another bite. Was that off the same plate? It's not good. I think I've made a mistake. I've really screwed this up. Did you guys give me like a random plate? It's thicker, so it's not gonna be a shelf stable. The only flavor I taste in this one is a smoke flavor. Slightly exotic. One more here on my left. It's very juicy, but it's got a hint of spice to it. It's very soft. This can be so many different flavors.
First one I believe to be a smoked beef. Smoked kangaroo. So kangaroos and cows are slightly different, but when you're blindfolded, surprisingly similar. Second one I believe was a smoked ostrich. It had a definite smoky flavor with a lighter texture, which resembled some kind of, bird or fowl. And third one, I believe this was to be habanero beef, jalapeno turkey. So I guess I got one right, plus a flavor. I thought it was a habanero, but all right, we're gonna try this one more time, see if I can't redeem myself in the last round.
Here we go with sample one. Soft and moist. There's definitely a hint of sugary fruit. It's definitely a red meat. It's got a slight gamey flavor to it. Plate two. There's definitely a lighter meat, still very tender and juicy. A straight smoky flavor. Chicken or maybe a gator. Third sample. This one's definitely a red meat and definitely a spice. Whew. If you like spicy, this is a good one. Strong peppery flavor for sure. Let's see how I did. I believe this to be a cherry maple elk, I think. I was right. I could tell that because I could taste the sugar and I could taste the fruit. There was a slight hint of wild game flavor that kind of gave it away. Second one, I believe it to be the smoked gator. I could definitely taste the smoky flavor, but it had a slight texture that was similar to a turkey or a chicken type poultry, but it didn't quite feel the same. There's gotta be beef habanero. It's a habanero smoked beef. I could tell it was a red meat, and obviously the strong habanero flavor hits you right away. It's kind of incredible when you can't see what you're eating, how hard it is to really determine what that product is. Hopefully you guys learned a lot about jerky. Get out there and try some for yourself. Third sample. Whew. If you like spicy, this is a good one.